All right, everybody. So this is a video I'm making to show I'm going to use a monitor now when I go out to fly my drone also for other people to see what I'm doing. And it's a monitor I bought from Amazon. It's an Innovo. It's pretty nice. But anyway, here's the video of the setup and how to do it. So this is my new Condition 1 case. I bought to condense all my drones and accessories and everything. Controllers, my action cam actually goes in here too. After everything's in, the monitor fits on top, so no problems. Again, this is my case itself. It's got my Mini 5. It's got my Air 3S, it's got my Mini 4, my goggles, it's got my controller, my microphone, Avata 2, Neo 2, all the batteries, accessories, and things. So, now, onward. So to power it, I'm going to use my new Anker Solex C1000 version 2, the new Gen 2 one. It's got the C port if I need it. Sorry, 3 C ports, 1 USB port. It's got 5 regular DC plugs, AC plugs, sorry. On the side it's got a cigarette lighter port. And on the other side, it has the regular charging from your wall outlet, a breaker, and that last one is for a car charger. You can charge this with from your car or plug in solar panels. The monitor needs 2 C plug inputs for power, and there's your micro HDMI plug for video. That will be plugged into my controller and will show video on the monitor so people can see what I see on the controller. So this is probably what I'm going to do when I'm out in the field. This is my case. I'll turn it sideways and I'll lift up the handle and I'll put the power bank on top of its foam that it came in the box with shipping and fits nicely. And then put the monitor on top like so. Okay, so this is the monitor powering on. There's the 2 cords in, C cords, and out from the power bank itself. This is the C cable from the controller, and this is the mini HDMI to plug into the side of the monitor. This is my controller and what it sees from the Mini 5 Pro, and that is my monitor. As you can see, here's my controller, here's my monitor. And it sees everything that I see with the controller. I know there's no satellites. I'm just going to launch it up in the air so you guys can see it. So, this is what my Mini 5 Pro sees. It's my nice kitchen. Anyway. And then I see it from the controller here too, which I haven't tried yet, but this is going to be awesome. This is going to be awesome having this with the controller. People can see what I'm doing without having to be over my shoulder or anything. So anyway, so that's it, guys. We're going to see how it works real world when I bring it out, probably the next time I go. So hope you all enjoyed that. And I will talk to y'all later. Everybody be safe. Peace.